How to find weather in Grow a Garden. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in Grow a Garden on Roblox, weather changes happen and affect all players at the same time. Weather can help your plants grow, cause them to change, mutate, and make the game more interesting. Most weather happens randomly, but some types are rare and need special conditions to start. So what are the types of weather? Here are different types of weather in the game and let's talk about what they do. The first one we have is Vane. It makes crop grow faster and give them the weight mutation. And there is thunderstorm, which makes crops grow even faster and might give them the shocked mutation. And the frost makes crops grow faster and can give them chilled mutation. The night weather happens every hour for 10 minutes. Crops glow purple and might get the moonlit mutation as well. And if there is blood moon, it is a rare event that makes crops red and might give them the blood lead mutation. And if there is meteor shower, meteors fall and give crops the celestial mutation if they hit them. And if there bee swarm, bees appear and visit gardens, giving crops the pollinated mutation. And the game administrator can also start special weather events like disco, Zandal, Charm, and speckled rain, but these aren't the part of normal weather. So how you can get the weather you want? Well, weather is mostly random. Here are some ways to try and get the weather that you want. Watch the forecast, look for the announcements in the game or in the community channels that might tell you about the upcoming weather. Prepare your garden. Plant crops that grow well in certain weather. For example, plant crops like water before it rains. You can also use the items like lightning rod to make lightning more likely during thunderstorms. And it's important to know that most weather events last 5 to 10 minutes, so everyone on the server has the same weather at the same time. It might take a little while for mutations from weather to show up, so be patient. And by understanding the weather events and getting ready for them, you can grow better crops and enjoy the game more. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.